Now we solve question 2. 2x plus y greater or equal to 6. Question number 2. 2x plus y greater or equal to 6. Solution. Given 2x plus y greater or equal to 6. Now we convert into equation. So 2x plus y is equal to 6. Putting x is equal to 0, we get 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 6, or gives y is equal to 6. And y is equal to 0 putting, so 2x plus 0 is equal to 6. We get 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. We get 2 point a is equal to 3 and 0, b is equal to point x, then y 0, 6. X axis, y axis. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. 3 0 point. Here is 3 and 0. This point a, 0 6 5 and 6. So this is point B. A का coordinate 3 0, B का coordinate 0 and 6. Now we draw a line. This is equation of 2x plus y is equal to 6. Now above the region of this line is the solution of 2x plus y greater or equal to 6. This is region of 2x plus y greater or equal to 6.